Hello everyone, welcome back for another Across the Waves Sunday idea. This is where Vicki and I take what we have in our stash and we play with it and make cards to share with you. Today I decided to use the Gypsy Heart collection and make a birthday card. And from that I have chosen this panel that I will be cutting down. I'm also using from the paper cuts, the creative cuts is what they call them in there, this ephemera piece that I'm going to put in the middle and pop up. I didn't grab a sentiment, my happy birthday. I'll have to get one. I'm going to use a piece of Stampin' Up Smoky Slate. My card base is A2 size. If you are interested in measurements, all of them are on my blog post, and my blog, the link to my blog is in the information section below. All right, so I've got my card base. I'm going to take my piece of gray. Oh, you know what? I can't put that down just yet because I may be using some ribbon from the kit. I don't know. We'll see. I looked at the pearls. They didn't match, so I didn't use them. All right, I'm going to cut this down to fit on here. All right, I'm gonna flip this over and put this down. Nope, I think it goes that way, just looking at the daisies. So, and this piece is 3/16 inch smaller than this. I find that that extra eighth that I add just makes it so much easier to layer it, and it also does really well with I'm looking for my ephemera piece. Oh, there it is. This goes on like so, and I need to find my sentiment. Let me get that. Okay, I pulled out a retired set that had birthday wishes. I don't have many stamp sets, and I'm going to stamp that in Memento because I just think the black will show up better. And because I don't know if this is straight or not, I'm going to use, okay, if I keep the top straight, it's straight. Yes. I know a lot of people use Misties and things like that. You have to plan ahead, as you saw. I did not. All right, so I'm going to stick the birthday wishes here. And I know I'm going to put my head in there. Actually, I'm going to go up high. I'm standing on my tippy toes. Oh, there we go. All right, got it. Now, do I want ribbon? You know, I think I do. And that might be cream, but I'm not going to worry about it. I think I'm going to put a bow down here at the bottom. Make it a nice feminine card. So I can flip very carefully, take this up. All right, flip it over. And I'm going to use my double-sided tape. So I make sure I put this on to stay on. I need to put it at the bottom, which is here. So I'm going to put that there, there. And I'm going to take my pokey tool and we can add this. Now, after you check out my video and you're all finished watching it, make sure you head on over to Vicki's link to see what she did. This has lines on it, which makes it easy to add the ribbon. I never know what she's going to do, and she doesn't know what I'm going to do. So it's a surprise for both of us. Sometimes we end up using the same thing, and sometimes we don't. All right, I'm going to take this off. Always take this off because that sticks down to your card base and sandwiches that ribbon in place. So now I can go back to adding my other tape and add this to my card base. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to add some dimensionals to the back of this so I can add it to my card. I'm gonna put those away and out of my way. All right. Okay, I'm getting there. Okay. Now I think I have enough. I was going to cut some more thinking I needed more, but I think I have enough on here. I always cut my dimensionals in half because that gives me, I can cover more space with it without having to oh, pretty. Having to, what do I want to say? Use a lot of dimensionals. I couldn't think. All right, now I'm going to try a multi-loop bow. So I'm going to pull in my bow maker, and this is going to be a tiny bow. So I'm going to take, and I don't remember how to do this, so I've got to think about it for a minute. All right. Now this goes here. I think this goes this way. And I tie it. I won't tie it tight. Ooh, I think I got it. I'm going to adjust it. All right, I'm going to cut this now. I didn't want to cut it till I knew if I had gotten it right or not. All right, let me move this out of the way so I don't unroll the whole thing. I have unrolled that thing so many times it isn't funny. All right, now this comes off close. I probably didn't pull it tight enough. But I haven't made my second bow or my second knot. And it might be this ribbon too. Can I get this back on here? That side's on. Oh, I don't think I can. You know what I'll do? I'll put it this way. I should have tied a second knot. There we go. Before I took it off. All right. I did this backwards, but that's okay. Oh, no. Nope, didn't work. And I think it's the ribbon. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take my tweezers, take it apart, and I don't want to use my fingernails because it's, there we go. I got it started. Because it will mess up my fingernails. And I'm having a terrible time with my thumbs, splitting really bad. I've tried everything. I'm working with my manicurist. It's just, it's hereditary. My mother's were the same way. All right, got that out. Now I can use that to make, I'm going to put my tip back on here so I don't lose it. All right, I'm just going to make a regular bow and cut it. So good to know that making this with this ribbon, okay, much nicer. All right, this needs to be a little bigger, so I'm going to pull it. There we go. And I'm going to trim that off and that off. Okay, now I need to add that with a glue dot. I'm going to pull out some of these. And I think I'm going to put it here. And the reason I'm putting it here is it offsets my ephemera. And there's a quick and easy, simple but beautiful birthday card. And I went shopping in my stash and found a stamp that would somewhat coordinate with what's going on there and stamped it on the inside and the envelope. I hope you enjoyed today's idea activity. Woo. Don't forget to check out Vicky's card. Link is below. Have a sensational Sunday. Bye.